Hey there, it's Me Naturally here. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Y'all, my hair is super dry and we're about to transform this to drenched. So I hope you stick around and see some of my tips and tricks. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's See Me Naturally here. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and like, comment if you have a question, and subscribe if you love my content. So today I have come to you all with a really awesome tutorial video. Over the course of my life, I've learned how to really take care of my hair, manage my hair, and I've got a few tips and tricks on how to get your hair to a really nice moisturized state. Now I do want to preface that my hair type is 4AB, and so with this tutorial, if you are in that 4AB range, your hair may respond to these techniques similarly to the way that my hair will. But if your hair is in the 3s or you have 4C extra kinky hair, this routine will still work for your hair, but just don't expect your hair to come out to look exactly like mine. I always say that whenever you're watching a tutorial video or you're learning a tutorial video, whether it's from me or any other YouTuber, to take it with a grain of salt. I think that when we see these tutorials, we're hoping that our hair is going to come out looking exactly the way that the YouTuber's hair looks, and you have to be careful with setting up that expectation for yourself, because even within the same hair type, all of our hair is different. So I am going to basically do an ultra hydration to this hair. Oh my gosh. So if you can see, my hair is super dry and I don't know what else to say about it. This week has been a really interesting week for me, and so my hair is calling 911, like for real. It needs help. And so I'm gonna be showing y'all some products that I'm gonna use in the process and the routine that I go through to get my hair back to a healthy state. So here we go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this hair is go through a super hydration deep conditioning process where I'm gonna take this thing from dry to drenched. So here's the items that you will need for this. The first thing is you will need a co-wash. I am using the Jane Carter Curl Drench Cleansing Co-Wash. This one I love to use because it is incredibly hydrating. It leaves my hair feeling soft and clean, and it doesn't have a whole lot of sulfates in it, which is really nice, but it has just enough to clean your scalp. You will need a deep conditioner. I am using the Shea Moisture Marina and Avocado with Kale, Matcha, and Green Algae Power Greens Reconstructor. Now I bought this maybe about 2 months ago, and when I used it for the first time, I fell in love. This works really nicely for type 4 hair. It is great as a deep conditioner because it's nice and thick and it really gets into the hair strands. So I would recommend buying this one if you're needing a good deep conditioner. You will need some sort of hair oil. So I have two, which I consider like the holy grail. I have the tea tree oil that I use a lot to get right at my scalp. It's really great for encouraging growth, and because I have this little tip here, it makes it easier for applying it to the scalp. And I have marula oil. Marula is really nice, lightweight oil. It almost looks like water. And it works well with type 4 low porosity hair because it's thin and it gets into the hair strands. I love this. You will need a spray bottle, and this can be a spray bottle that you use optionally if you are doing this routine for a quick and easy process, mainly because the way that I will be doing this, I am actually going to go ahead and get in the shower and wash my hair. But if you are needing a quick fix to your hair, a trusty spray bottle of water and maybe your favorite oils is really going to be nice. Just know that if you are going to use the oils, you will make sure you need to shake it up because of course water and oil don't mix. So you will need a detangling comb or a detangling brush, clips to separate your hair into 4 sections, and a nice leave-in moisturizer that you love using on your hair so that you can seal all of the awesome goodness of the conditioner and the oils. I am using the My L Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. I tried this like over maybe 2 years ago. I fell in love with it. I will say, even though My L is going through some heat right now, I like this product. All right, so I'm about to get ready to start the process. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop into the shower and I'm gonna section my hair, wash, well, co-wash, deep condition, and detangle my hair while I'm in there. No, I will not be bringing this camera because I am not the type of person that believes in getting in the shower with my camera. So the process that I've used, I've listed right here. I'll be right back. All right, everyone, so I am out of the shower. My hair is washed and sectioned. So now we're gonna move on with the next part of the process. As you can see, it's already got a nice bounce and a nice curl. I'm gonna go in a little closer so y'all can see the hair. So far we've accomplished getting rid of the dryness. So now we're gonna add some oils and some more conditioners so that we can make sure this hair doesn't have to deal with dryness for another week. All right, so the first step in the process, I am going to take the oils. I always like to oil my hair first, and I'm gonna apply it to the root all over my head. Y'all, my eyes are a little red because I got some water in my eyes while I was showering. All right, so now that I have the oil on my scalp, I'm just gonna massage that in nice and easy, only focusing on my scalp. So what that does is it stimulates the roots, make sure that oil is getting in nice. All right, so now I'm gonna add the marula oil to the hair strands. With this part, you want to make sure that you're nice and gentle so that you're not reactivating frizz. The goal here is just to get the oil on the hair and not to try to style it or anything like that, because that is what causes frizz. I especially like to concentrate on the tips, knowing that that is where most of the breakage is or occurs. All right, so this is already looking really good, nice and juicy, drenched. So now we're gonna add in the leave-in conditioner and we're gonna apply this to the entire head. You really only need about this much because at this point, your hair is already wet, so you don't want to put too much product in on top of the water. So what we would call this is the L.O.C method. So we have liquid, which is what I did when I washed my hair. Then we have the oil, and now I'm adding the cream. I'm using my fingers to detangle as well. All right, so now we are pretty much done. I'm gonna show you the back. So yeah, you can definitely use this routine to help revitalize your hair. And like I said earlier in the video, if you choose not to wash your hair, perfect way to do this is with a spray bottle. I bought this continuous spray bottle on Amazon. I'll link below in the description the link to get this same water bottle, but it's a nice continuous spray bottle and it covers a lot of the hair. Alrighty, and there you have it. So if you're wanting to wear this as a style, my highest suggestion is to not touch your hair after this point, because the more you touch your hair, the more you're gonna create frizz, like I said earlier, and it's just not gonna look pretty. It's not gonna look cute. It's gonna feel nice, but it's not gonna look as nice. So that is the end of this tutorial video. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments below. If you feel like I missed out a part or something was clear, again, leave it in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, again, leave it in the comment below. Let me know what you want to see. I'm more than happy to do it. Don't forget to love yourselves, and thanks for seeing me naturally. Bye, y'all.